Great tutorial.
Watching a TikTok about how to dig a hole. So let's be on the right hand side of the road, and we're going to stop on the line. You don't have to go up all the way up to the line, of course, but you could go this far without causing anyone any trouble. Now let's have a nice controlled move off. So you're going to control the speed with the clutch rather than with the gas, okay? So just bring the clutch up a little bit to move forwards, put it down again to slow down, bring it up again to move forwards. Okay, got it?
Okay.
That's so much smoother. Oh, it's really nice. Really nice. And let's get up to third gear, we can relax. So there's no need to look down at the gear stick. It's still pretty much where you left it. Also, third gear looks virtually the same as first gear, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't tell you very much looking down. What's the disadvantage of looking down at the gear stick?
You're not looking at the road.
Yes, exactly. Cardinal rule of driving, look where you're going. So all looks very different going around this way, doesn't it?
It does.
So you get two for the price of one, this circuit.
It's quite good.
And it's very good because it means no one else is going to be held up because they'll all turn off. We're the only people crazy enough to drive around in circles.
Your Truman Show characters are not behaving today.
They're all working for me. Just keep it more realistic. Cue pedestrians. So let's cover the brake going into the corner. So just drive with 1 foot at this point. Keep it simple. Less to think about. Less of a cognitive strain.
Yeah.
I'm not going to bother you with a shot of the feet on the pedals because that would be just too mind-bendingly complicated. So there's enough to think about without.
I feel like if I was watching someone's feet while they were driving, I'd be very confused. Like,
Very
it confused
confused.
me more than anything else.
Yeah. So we're just going to assume you know which pedal to press and with which foot. So we're going to turn right. So just before the red letterbox, stay out of the hedge, please. Just before the red letterbox, we're turning right. Turning right, first thing is. Position on the right. Let's make a room enough for a car behind us to get past. So we're going to stop for an imaginary car. Keep going until the centre line's under your door mirror. And stop. Very good. Now you can see on this side of the car there's enough room for someone to get by. What's a good gear for this speed? Excellent. So you might consider the handbrake, bit of a slope. Let's find the biting point. When you're ready, off we go. So just a little bit of clutch. That's it. It's all about clutch control, isn't it? Very nice. Very, very nice. And up into second gear now that we're moving. I like it.
Nice.
I think you could probably drive yourself home.
Oh, pressure.
If I talked you through it. That man is halfway to China.
I was gonna say, he's gonna disappear the next time I go around you.
Waist deep. My God.
He's watching something on his phone as well.
Is he?
Yeah. Great tutorial.
Watching a TikTok about how to dig a hole. Brilliant. Now at this point we'd start moving to a different area and doing left and right turns in Fetcham because there's same principle, different roads, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's all too easy to get into a
rhythm.
and you can do exactly that over and over again, but we need to apply that to a different set of circumstances. So we're going to turn left this time.
Left.
So at the end of the road to turn left. Let's get into first gear. And again, we're on a slope, so you're using the handbrake. Great, that's a great strategy.
There's a car coming out.
Take your time, no hurry. That's so nice, very good, very good. So much better.